Article 392.10a of the National Electrical Code 2005 addresses cable trays containing both multiconductor and single conductor cables. It states that the sum of the cross-sectional areas of all cables shall not exceed 50% of the cable tray's cross-sectional area. This applies to both compartments of a divided tray. Article 392.10 provides further guidance. It says that if any of the single conductor cables are 1/0 through 4/0 American wire gauge, the sum of the diameters of all single conductor cables shall not exceed the cable tray width. This means that if there are any single conductor cables with American wire gauge sizes between 1/0 and 4/0 in the cable tray, then the sum of the diameters of all such cables must be less than or equal to the cable tray's width. Let's consider an example. Suppose a cable tray has a width of 12 inches and contains firstly 10 multiconductor cables with an American wire gauge size of 12, secondly 5 single conductor cables with an American wire gauge size of 2, and thirdly 3 single conductor cables with an American wire gauge size of 1/0. According to the code, the sum of the diameters of the 1/0 single conductor cables must not exceed 12 inches. To verify compliance, we need to look up the diameter of a 1/0 American wire gauge single conductor cable. According to the National Electrical Code tables for cable diameters, the diameter of a 1/0 American wire gauge single conductor cable is 0.515 inches. Therefore, the sum of the diameters of the three 1/0 American wire gauge cables is 3 multiplied by 0.515, which equals 1.545 inches. Since 1.545 inches is less than the cable tray width of 12 inches, the requirements of Article 392.10 are met in this example. It is crucial to consult the specific cable manufacturer's data for the actual cable diameters, as these values can vary slightly. This calculation ensures proper cable management and compliance with electrical codes.